We are live, ladies and gentlemen. It is your boy Shades and Trades here. We're going to talk about Bitcoin miners, Riot Stock, Mara Stock, and the many other miners that are out there. As you can see on the charts, we are breaking out not only on Bitcoin over the weekend. Let's look at Bitcoin here real quick. Guys, watch out. We've been in a bear market for months now. Since March of this year, we have been trending to the downside, creating lower lows and lower highs. I know some people don't want to call it a bear market. They don't want to say that it keeps going down. They want to pretend like, oh no, we're not in a bear market, not at all. But this thing has been trending down. It's been creating the pennant lower lows and lower highs. But we know for a fact, if we look back at the bull run, what happened during the bull run? Oh boy, consolidation, runs up, consolidation, huge run up. Look at that. Whew. In a bull run, boy, does this thing go. Okay? I'm showing you this so you know, hey, when this thing goes on a run, you're going to see this back above 70K. And if we break that 73, we can easily see 80. We might even see 100K by the end of the year, but I doubt it. I'm just saying we might. Some people have predicted that. I don't think so. If we see 100K, it'll be in a year or two, but I don't think it's going to happen like that. I mean, there's going to be some profit taking along the way. Either way, Bitcoin, if we start breaking out on this, we're going to see miners skyrocketing as well. You switch over to Riot Stock, which has been sitting at lows under $10. Why am I saying under $10? Because the trading range back then, the trading range here held since April 21st of 2023. So we're headed for 2 years of this stock holding between $10 and 20 for all intents and purposes. That is your trading range. And boy, did we take advantage of that. As you can imagine, I wouldn't be talking about this stock if it wasn't for the fact that I've been swing trading this every time it comes down to $10 and under. It is $10 and under right now. I have accumulated well over 7,500 shares of Riot Stock. I am sitting on the position. I am waiting for that huge breakout above $8.50. If we can get that, we'll go to 9 and then 10. Even on the right-hand side, you can see trading between $7.50 and $8. Sell targets $10 and $12 for a nice 25 to 50%, possibly even more. If this thing goes to 20, if it just keeps running like crazy, as I just showed you, when this thing goes, it can go. It can go. And when it goes, oh boy, watch out. We can see 20 again, which would mean 100% plus gains for those of you who have been buying between $7.50 and $8, or even lower, because it came down as low as like 7, I believe, or even 6.33. Yeah. So Riot Stock, Mara Stock, Bit Farms, BitF, the same thing. They all follow each other, but I just like to stick with Riot because that trading range is pretty clean, and Mara as well. The trading range is pretty clean on this one, as you can see. It's pretty much T for T with Riot Stock. So be it Riot, Mara, or if you want to go with the smaller ones, BitF or BTBT, when they start going, you will see them print money for the people who were patient and disciplined. So Mara Stock, again, if this breaks out above, it's been getting rejected at 17. If it breaks above 17, we'll go to 18, and then if we can break 1870, we can go to 20 plus. So that is the beauty of exercising patience and discipline. You wait for it to get cheap, and then you go, thank you, stock market, for giving me this stock at a cheap price. Thank you for the cheapies. I will load up while everyone else is scared, and then let other people chase it up for you back to $10 plus. Or in this case, for Mara, $20 plus. And you take your profit. You take your 25, 50%. Don't be greedy. Maybe sell some up on the way. I bought a big 7,500 share position at $7.50. I'm holding that one for at least 50% minimum. The other positions that I have I'm going to sell just on the way. That's at least my strategy. I'll sell some on the way, but the big position, I'll hold that for the big 50% plus. I always try to sell at 50% minimum for this one. And I've been doing this for years. I mean, since 2023, I've shown you since 2023 that trading range is held. So it's just a matter of abusing that bottom and just keep buying under $10 and accumulating it and trusting the fact that Bitcoin isn't going to go anywhere. I don't think it's going anywhere. I think it's going to go to 100K. It'll pull back, and then we'll go back to 100K plus again. And then maybe one day we'll have a huge bear market. It'll get down nice and cheap. But other than that, I don't think we'll ever see 20K and under for Bitcoin. I think that was a one-time deal. I don't think we're seeing it I think we're seeing 100K before we even see 20K, in my opinion. And after that, it's just going to be so hard for Bitcoin itself to come down to 20K and under. It would have to, I don't know what would have to happen. Like we'd have the worst bear market ever, like worse than the ones we've had already. So then again, Bitcoin wasn't around during the financial crash of 2008. So who knows? Who knows what might happen. But other than that, if you're bullish on Bitcoin and you like big bottoms, which I like big bottoms, I like Bitcoin. I don't think it's going anywhere. Then get in before this goes above $10, in my opinion. That is it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.